Tandoori Kheema. Take half kg keema or mince in a mixing bowl. Add 1 tsp of ginger garlic paste. Add half tsp of turmeric. Add 2 tsps of red chili powder. Add salt as per taste. Add 300 grams of curd. Add 1 tsp of coriander or dhania and cumin or zira powder. Add 1 tsp of tandoori masala, half tsp of garam masala powder and 2 pinches of red food color. Add 3 medium-sized fried onion. Mix all ingredients nicely. Let keema marinate for half an hour. Heat kadai and add 2 to 3 tsps of oil. Add some whole garam masala. Fry for 2 minutes. Add marinated keema. Cook it on high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Stir in between. Cover and cook for 2 minutes. Keema is roasted nicely. Add half cup of water. Give a nice mix. Cover and cook till keema is tender. After 8 to 10 minutes, keema is cooked well. Add half tsp of kasuri methi. Add to green chilies. Add half lemon juice. Give a quick mix and cook on low flame. Add some chopped coriander leaves. Cook on low flame till oil separates from sides. Tandoori keema is done. Turn off flame. For smoky flavor, place a small bowl and put a piece of burnt charcoal, pour oil on it and close lid. After few seconds, open lid. Tasty tandoori keema is ready. Tasty and delicious tandoori keema is ready to serve. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook. Thanks for watching.